Hi, I'm Lisa Jambrand, and in this short video we're going to show you a little step-by-step of a DIY project taking a thrift shop find and turning it into a stylish kids nightstand. We took a thrift shop find, put in some elbow grease, leftover paint, a stencil, and these fabulous new legs, and turned it into a custom kids nightstand. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon in the upper right hand corner to get notifications about more DIY projects, design advice, or room reveals.